Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share a quick and easy gift card holder. I saw a tutorial from Dina over at Crafty Crafts by Dina, and I had to make this year. Very easy, quick. Um, I made it a little difficult because I have the single-sided paper that I had to double up to make it double-sided. But it turned out really cute. So let me share the paper pad that I used. I used this paper pad. I don't know if Hobby Lobby has this paper pad, but I got this last year, and I need to use the paper pads I have. Um, the only paper pad I bought this year for Christmas, I know I think I bought an Echo Park paper pad, and I bought this paper pad from Michael's this year. It is adorable, and I just love it. And this is double-sided, but I needed 4x10 paper. I should have bought the 12x12 paper because I was thinking, I'm not gonna get it. Because I never use a lot of the paper. I just bought the 6x6, but anyway, nonetheless, I use different papers from my stash. So Dina had showed how to score it, how to cut it down, and it was so easy, guys. So I made a belly band. I think she did too. I'm not sure, but she had a sentiment on the front. I did something different, and it has my husband's nieces and nephews' names on them. I personalize them every year, so you know, when we mail the package to them, they know that these are theirs. Um, so like I said, I made a belly band. There's a scallop punch and a circle punch that I used from my stash. And I stamped their names with this. I used the Coco and Reno stamp set here as well. So I'm getting use out of my stamps and dies and punches, obviously. So it's a belly band, so you just slip it off. And then in the front, it is like a little book with the little, you put the gift card here and you put the sentiment. Isn't that adorable? I love the candy cane and I love the gingerbreads together. And then I'm going to have to turn this around so I don't show the, but I was using, don't mind my inky fingers. I think I might have said that already. This one has Santa. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I think it's brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Thank you, Dina. This was a great tutorial. Easy to do. Quick, simple. I think this one has the gingerbread inside. Yeah. So you just stick I just stick this card in there. And then your sentiment. Isn't that adorable? Oh well. Yeah, I just showed the name, but that's okay. It's just one of them. So that's that one, and then this one. Isn't that cute? I love this plaid. It's adorable. And yeah, that's what I did. So I'll link her video down below so you can go check it out, and maybe you can make some as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.